This is the correct Fel-Pro O-ring part number for a 2004 Ford Crown Victoria fuel injector. This end of the fuel injector is easy to remove the O-ring with your fingers. The other end is much harder to remove the O-ring. Using needle nose pliers makes it 100 times easier to remove the O-ring on this end. I am comparing the size of the new O-ring with their old original O-ring, and they are the same size. I am using DeWalt safety goggles. Dawn Platinum dishwashing liquid is great for removing all of the dirt, sand, and grease off of the fuel injectors. I like to use a toothbrush to scrub and clean the fuel injector with, then follow up with CRC Clean-r-carb carburetor cleaner to clean all of the soapy water off of the fuel injector. Make sure to spray inside both ends of the fuel injector also. I chose to use Permatex O-ring lubricant to lubricate the O-rings with, which helps to not damage the O-rings and makes it far easier to install them onto the fuel injectors. Massage the lubricant all over each O-ring, and the O-rings will slide onto each end of the fuel injector easily. Dawn Platinum dishwashing liquid easily removes the dirt, sand, and grease off of the fuel rail. My favorite tool for this job is a toothbrush. Scrub every inch of the fuel rail and the wiring with the toothbrush and soapy water. Spray the outside of the fuel rail with CRC Clean-r-carb Carburetor cleaner to remove all of the dirty, soapy water off of the fuel rail. Spray carb cleaner inside of the fuel rail and then turn it over to let the carburetor cleaner drain out of the fuel rail. After letting the fuel rail dry off, install the fuel injectors back into the fuel rail by pressing and twisting them in. Place the fuel rail inside of a plastic bag to keep it clean before installing it back onto the engine. You can watch episode 9 of this Ford Crown Victoria in the link right here.